What's up, Glam Squad, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, welcome. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved these cute little strawberry nails. So I've been wanting to do a set like this, but I wasn't sure what to do. So this is kind of a little bit of a freestyle. So I hope you guys like it. Make sure to watch the video until the end, and if you did like it, make sure to hit that like button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can be notified anytime I post. And of course, share. Alright guys, let's get straight to the video. First thing is first, we're going to start off with one coat of our Valentino Beauty Pure base coat. After that, we are going in with our first color, which is 0049, and this color is from Model Ones. After that, I'm going in with a white liner brush, and I'm starting my nail design on the pinky. The same brand of liners, I'm going to go ahead in with the red and start drawing little strawberries. So I drew 3 on the pinky. Now I'm going to be going in with number 10 and number 6, and I'm going to start drawing a giant strawberry on my ring finger. I'll be using number 10 to create the strawberry stem. So since the nail was a clear nail, number 10 was a little see-through. So I went ahead and put this color on top just so they could kind of blend together. Now I'm going in with the black liner brush and I'm starting to create the details on the strawberry. Moving on to the middle finger and the thumb, I'm going to be using number 23 and number 7. And I'm also going to be using that 0049, I believe it was, to do an ombre. So when I do an ombre, I like doing the top first. So I went ahead and I was mixing those 2 colors. And before I do that, I'm going to lay down some base coat. So if you haven't seen my previous videos while I do ombres, the reason why I put down base coat is so it could be easier to move around. Alright guys, so this is how the set looks so far. And last but not least, we're starting with the index finger. And I'm going to be using number 23. So for this nail, I'm just going to do one solid color. And then I'm going to go ahead at the end and place the strawberry charms. Now I'm going to go ahead and use my MAC Art rhinestone glue. And I'm going to go ahead and attach both strawberry charms. So I would suggest, if you are doing these big nail charms on your nails, cure them one at a time, only because with this rhinestone glue, it is a really good glue, but things don't really stay in place, so they do tend to slide. So it is better if you cure them one at a time. Alright guys, and that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little look. This one and my recent one that I put before this one, the bumblebee, have been my two favorites lately. I want to start playing a little bit more with art. And just to let you guys know, I will be uploading these on my Etsy if you're interested in buying this set. It doesn't have to be this length. I could do some customizations for you guys. So make sure to check out my Etsy store. I will put it up on the screen. Or if not, you can find it in the description box below. But yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up on your way out. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can be notified anytime I post. And of course, share. See you next time guys. Bye.